Okay, today we're going to be dealing with this is an 04 Lexus RX 330. It'll be basically the same up until 2010 for the 330, 350, and 330H or 350H, 400H. Anyway, it's the automatic headlight leveling control. So I've had to pull really close because it's light up really close to the garage. So I'll turn the headlights on. And you can see where the headlight position is. And when I start the car, you'll see it go through its dance and go up and down. And it's automatically going to the highest level, which is too high, blinding other drivers. But that is the warning light right there. That one right there is the headlight level warning light. There's a little connecting rod between the actuator arm and the sensor on the back of the car, and that one kind of popped off. There's a little bushing or a little bearing in there that's gone, and until I find one of those, I don't want to have that light staring at me, but I don't also want to have my headlights blinding oncoming drivers. So there's a way to fix that. So anyway, the headlights are on now, so I'm going to start the car. And I'm going to note where that's lowest and it's coming back up to highest. It's not much of a difference. It's about 2 inches because I'm so close. But I'm going to take a piece of masking tape and mark that top. Then I will go take a piece of masking tape and mark the bottom level where it's going to go. And be back in 1 second. Okay, so you can see I've marked the top and bottom level there. You just have to open your window, close the door, and then restart the car with the lights on so you can note it and know where it is. But that's the range of motion. Again, we're close to the garage, so it doesn't look like much, but when once you get 50, 60 feet away, that's quite a difference. So what I'm going to do is turn the car off, headlights on, and I'm going to restart the car, and I'm going to turn the car off, not the headlights but the ignition off. When it's halfway between those, it's going to go to lowest first, and then it's going to come back to the high level. So we're going to restart and then try and stop it in between those two. Right about there. So now, car off, turn the headlights off, pull your ignition key out, and let me grab a flashlight and I'll show you what we're going to do. It's going to be 2 seconds. Okay, back again, and we're in the driver's footwell. And straight up here, let me see if I can, I'm not going to be able to unplug this with you looking, but straight up, right, why can't I get my light on it? Come on. Right there, see that black box? It says Toyota Light Control Module. On the left of it, there's a gray plug. You just unplug that. Well, we've got everything shut off right now. I'm going to reach in, unplug it really quickly, and back in 2 seconds. Yeah, you don't have to remove anything to get this. Just reach up in there and unplug it. Okay, I'll show you what that little gray plug looks like now. Unplugged. Why can't I get in here? Good God. There it is. See it hanging down in front of the black connector there? Right in the middle of your screen. That's the unplugged connector. There's just a little push thing you squeeze with your thumb and pull it out. And that's it. Now we're going to start the car. And our headlight should be locked in that position that we last left it at. So I'm going to turn the headlights on. Oops, on. And as you can see, it's locked in between halfway, and there is no warning light on the dashboard. You can leave it like this forever. I'm just waiting till I can find one of those little arms without having to buy the entire thing, because I know my sensor works. The little arm works, or not arm, little thing that's attached to the suspension, little swivel, that works fine. It's just a little adjustable arm in between with a little socket on each side that broke. So Quick fix so you're not blinding everybody else, and your little light on your dashboard will not be driving you nuts. Thanks for watching.